Hey guys, it's me, Millie. Hey guys, it's me, Millie here, and today I'm going to be playing The Forest with Maisie, Daisy, D. Subscribe to our channel, please.
Hey guys! Okay, I'm just doing my intro. Today I am playing The Forest with Millie, and she's filming as well, so why am I looking there? So, let's get to it. Okay, well,
Get twisted.
The Forest on Roblox. And by the way, I'm getting VR goggles, so I will be playing The Forest.
Yeah, me too.
With the actual forest.
Yeah, I will, because Maisie's VR goggles
Tell me if you want me to play Fortnite, because I really want to play that on my channel. And
Minecraft.
I've never played it.
If you wanted to play Royal High, Minecraft, hide and seek, and real life.
Okay, you click the top one.
Play.
No, a zombie. I see a zombie. No.
Maze, did you do play?
No, let me.
Maze,
Maze,
did you do this one?
Kill me.
Maisie, did you do this one? Maze, which one did you do? Maisie, Maisie, Maze, which one did you do? Play.
One.
Play.
Yeah, and then it says normal mode. Or shelter.
Oh, zombie!
I got a little shelter. I don't know how I have.
Big axe! Axe! I want to go home, please, let's go!
I'm not afraid of zombies. Here I come. I'm going to go to the airdrop.
Yeah, me too. I'm already headed down there. I'm nearly there. I'm nearly at the airdrop, are you?
Okay, guys, I'll be back when I'm back.
Yeah, me too. No, I'm going to carry on with the guy. Because I started a longer way. Maybe you must be going the other way.
Yeah.
Do you see Thunder?
Uh-huh.
Me too. We see Thunder and Maisie, but she's paused her video because she wants to go there. Okay, I might actually just...
No, but you can have the video together and I can't. Because my iMovie doesn't work. Apparently, I can't.
Yeah, Maisie can do iMovie on this if you want a part 2. Adding them to another way. If you want a part 2, well, we can get it when you want us. Just comment down below if you want part 2.
Okay, you know what? I can't
I'm going to the airdrop because
Who the hell is that? No, is that you?
Yeah, I think. No.
Turn around.
Yeah.
There you go.
Hey. Wait, where is the airdrop?
I don't see it no more.
Me either. Please help.
I'm gonna add you to a group. Okay, it's fine. Click you.
Click me, bye.
No, click you.
Q.
Oh, it's in the airdrop.
Where are you? Mate, help.
Just go to the airdrop.
I don't know where the airdrop is.
So turn around a little.
Oh, I found it. Do you see it?
It's gonna take us a while to get there.
Are you filming? Maze? My green thing isn't there. Look at the top, it isn't there. Maze. Maisie. It's okay, yeah?
Oh, somebody over here.
Help me.
Don't worry, it's not far from me, because I was near you.
Okay, am I nearly here? Yeah, I am. Right now. Yeah. Maze, go in that camping thing. That rock.
I'm not here at the airdrop yet, but I'm getting some materials.
Me too. E. Ooh, I got a blue pavement.
See, this is way easier.
Yes, it's easier. It's way easier for me. Oh, another blue pavement.
This is the airdrop, right?
No, the airdrop's over there.
No? Oh, yeah.
Is that we are here? Pickaxe. Yeah, I do want a pickaxe.
Okay, some diamonds on.
Two.
This is like Minecraft a bit. I am now level 6. I need to get to a level 7 for you.
I'm gonna chop down this tree. Don't nobody chop down this tree.
Big diamonds.
Me? Five. 3.
Oh, you can make the houses and stuff.
Yeah, we know.
Oh.
Yeah, we can make houses or anything what we want. Hi. Miss, how do you do that tree?
Come to the airdrop.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, in the water.
How many water?
Wait, what do you need to make a car? You need stone. No, look. Let's say how you make one. Oh, the
I'm at the airdrop.
The sun's coming up.
I'm at the airdrop.
Me too.
No,
I'm
like
here. I started here.
I did.
Oh my god.
I started here as well.
Okay, I see.
Where is the plane?
See the plane, I see the plane.
I don't. I really don't. Oh yeah, I do. I see the plane.
Zombie's trying to get me. Zombie's trying to get me. Zombie can't get it. Oh, okay.
Where the hell is the zombie? Is he down there?
Okay, I'm at the airdrop. Okay. Let's open it. Oh yeah, these friends sounds good.
Yeah, I got 2.
Will help me find more. Okay, so finally we're here on
I got an apple and a gold coin.
water.
Oh, did you get water?
Oh, I got food.
I got food, but I didn't get any water. I really need water, but that's okay because Maze, are you in my group?
What?
Are you in my group? Are you in your group? Am I in your group? Water!
Food.
Okay, I'm gonna have this one. I'm having one next to you. Maze, Maze, you had them 2 people.
Okay, when do they respawn? The hell are here?
Yeah, they go pretty fast.
Okay, so we're going to go into the cave. And that's
Gonna go airdrop.
stone. So we can do that.
Where are you?
Oh, next to the cave. Go behind the cave.
Oh, I see you. Don't get all the diamonds because I don't even have one.
I have diamonds.
Do you have diamonds?
Yeah.
I'm going in the cave. What is this?
But what I do need is stone, which is everywhere.
2.
We've got stone now.
I want 2. Where are you?
This guy's stealing everything I'm getting. It's not very nice.
I only got one. What he
Look,
got?
he's still here.
Oh, yeah.
These are mine, not yours. Don't steal stuff I have collected.
Who is he?
Ooh,
What?
how can you go deeper into the cave?
Yeah. No, we can't go.
You can't.
I'm gonna go the other way now.
There's no other way. Okay, I'm going back to the
Where are you going? I might go to the airdrop, real airdrop. Are you?
this is the
I know. Do you wanna go?
I'm going.
Me too. I do really not see the airdrop. Where are you? In the beach?
That's the way. Okay, this is really fast. It must be really slow, but it's not.
Oh, hi, Maze. Maze, how did you swim like that? Maze, how did you swim like that?
I'm not going to
Maze, how did you swim like that?
What?
How did you swim like that?
What do you mean? I swam.
How did you swim?
Oh, this cheeky fat guy getting every one of the tasks.
Oh, mate, can I have that chest by you? There's loads of testers. This is the real plane, you maze.
What?
This is the real plane, yeah.
No, this is another thing.
Why does... Guys, why does plane crash? Planes crash. I only got one test. Everyone's nasty to me.
I sold the boat.
What?
See you later.
Where are you, mate?
I'm on a boat.
Can I go on it with you?
Yeah, you're also on the boat.
Can I go on it with you?
Yeah, come on, big girl.
Stay there.
Oh, this might go there. Aww.
I got...
This would be his boat.
I got the last.
Maisie.
Are you dying?
No, I'm running.
I'm dying.
Oh, why?
I don't know.
Can you put hats on here? Can I see a dog? Or is that better? That's, no, it's a deer. I am telling you. You should be able to kill people. No, are you in my group?
I don't know.
Jump up! Okay, I'm gonna get some food. I'm gonna see-
Something's killing me, Maze.
Okay.
Guys, something killing me.
This will be the class. Okay, I live here now.
Where are you?
Yeah, I'll find you.
Where are you?
Oh no, Millie. Getting light here. Okay, I'm going to stay up in this house. I'm going to make a fire for myself. It'll be nice and warm.
I'm gonna go in here as well where you are, Maze.
Okay.
Maze, I'm dying, look. Maze, am I dying? Look. Maze, I'm gonna die.
Why?
I don't know. Stay
How
there.
do you build the fire?
I died. I'm dead, guys.
Ow! What killed it? Killed you? Must have been rain.
No, because I was under there and they were still killing me.
Okay, Millie, my video's never.
Mine is as well, I think.
See you guys Wednesday morning again. Okay, I'm gonna try and build my own tree house.
Maze, can I teleport to you?